Welcome back, friends and followers. This is Josh from Magic Skateboard Media. As you can see, I'm not on the outside of the event. I got invited in today to actually film and have a waiver and be an official media person. So we're gonna go for a couple runs and a couple different rides. And I'm gonna get, I can't get rollers on the inside of the grid, but I'll get rollers on the back in the pit and stuff. So yeah, let's get these rides and see what it's like. I've never done autocross. I've never been involved or gone on a ride or been in an official race or anything like that. So this is gonna be a new experience for me, and you're gonna come along for the ride.
All right, starter, let's get to it. On the bed, each street, heavy hitter street. Oh yeah.
The corner down there reminds me.
All right, I'm noticing a lot of Teslas and a lot of American muscle, so. Yeah. I mean, technically it is American.
Got grunt, man. Grunt like no other fucking cam car.
Hell yeah.
Mike.
This is Mike. He's the one who made me an official part of the event. Thank you.
Fuck, thank you.
Appreciate it.
You're gonna ride some cars today, Bubba.
Hell yeah. Also, we're gonna compare what it's like to ride in a Fox body, wide body, Fox body 89 Mustang 5.0 compared to a brand new Tesla Plaid, I believe it's called. Anyways, let's go get that ride. You got an import.
Let's go racing, boys. We can do that. Thanks, buddy. Yeah.
Rum, rum, rum. That was me making the noises for the Tesla. Yes, super unique.
Top time of day, top paps.
Fox bodies are out in force today.
Orange is ready.
the day. Josh, top time of the day, look.
46.
Thank you, brother. Yeah. Thank you. There you go. Woo. Fucking A, Rudy.
It's official.
What do you think, Josh?
That was my first run ever on an autocross, tracking, racing of any kind, and I was absolutely terrified. But the level of adrenaline is something that I could definitely do again.
Fucking A, we got 8 more times.
Oh my God.
Right on.
That was insane.
It doesn't look as fun from the streets, does it?
No, I didn't. No, it doesn't look like that from outside.
It looks like you're just driving around the fucking parking lot. Like, go faster, goddammit. You're supposed to be racing.
Oh my God.
It feels different inside the car.
Yeah.
Under the tires, right back.
Woo.
This is Mike Parsons' Unplugged Performance Tesla.
Penalized for that, even if you're running over.
Motherfucker, 45. Fucking yeah, let's go. I love it.
So, as you all know, it's a very controversial topic, filming with the one wheel in places that are not owned by myself because of insurance liability. And for that reason, there have been a lot of talks with a lot of different automotive entities that throw the autocrosses at this stadium. So it's come to my attention that there's been talks about questioning the legitimacy and safety of filming this event from the one wheel. And so because of those reasons, instead of banning me and taking negative action, Mike from San Diego SCCA decided that he would approach it from a positive perspective and bring me on board and approach it with some etiquette and safety. That way we can be on each other's side and help each other grow, because ultimately we're here for the same reason. I love cars and they love cars. So I appreciate Mike bringing me on today, having me sign the waiver, putting a helmet on me, bringing me in the fastest Tesla on earth. That was an absolute blast and opened my eyes to the lifestyle of track. And I don't know, we'll see. I mean, I have a Subaru.
Fucking yeah! 44, baby!
So yeah, final thoughts. Riding in the Mustang 5.0 was super raw, and I love all the sounds and all of the room to grab for my dear life. The harness, the full experience, I love that. That was what I was more expecting. The Tesla blew my mind. It scared the hell out of me the first run, and then the second run I started getting used to it, but it was terrifyingly unpredictable because of the amount of power getting put down, and I had never been in a car while it's putting down that much speed and power and whatever was happening. But awesome experience, and I appreciate Randy and Randy's buddy. I'm blanking. I appreciate you guys, and Mike too as well. And everybody who I met here, thank you. I appreciate the experience. Maybe track content coming in the future. Regardless, Mike, I appreciate you. It's been an experience. This is Josh from Magic Skateboard Media reminding you to take action, stay motivated, hit your local car scene, hit a local autocross, you know, go for a ride, do what drives you. I will see you on the next one. Peace.